Hello everyone. In this video we are going to read about pronoun and their types. So let's start our topic. Pronoun is defined as a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. It takes place of noun. Let's see an example. Jam is a boy of 16. Jam is studying in ninth class. Jam has two brothers. Jam loves playing football. Jam is captain of his team. Look at the above paragraph. The name jam looks strange in every sentence due to repetition of noun jam. We replace it with pronoun to make a sentence beautiful and easy to avoid word redundancy. We will replace it with appropriate pronoun and read it again. Jam is a boy of 16. He is studying in ninth class and has two brothers. He loves playing football and he is captain of his team. Now let's just look at types of pronoun. Pronoun are categorized into many types. Main types include personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reflective pronoun, intensive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. So first pronoun is personal pronoun. Personal pronouns refers to a person's name. We use personal pronoun as a substitute for a person's name. There are two kinds of personal pronoun, subjective and objective. First, subjective pronoun. Subjective pronouns replace the subject in a sentence. Common subjective pronouns are I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. Example, I love watching TV. Okay. Now, objective pronoun. Objective pronouns replace the object in a sentence. Common objective pronouns are me, us, you, him, her, it, and them. One example, she gave him a present on his birthday. Okay. Now the second type, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are the pronouns that shows ownership and possessions in a sentence. We categorize possessive pronoun in two types, strong possessive pronoun and weak possessive pronoun. The strong possessive pronouns include your, mine, his, hers, its, theirs, yours, and ours. They refer back to a noun or noun phrase already used. Replacing it avoid repetition. I said that pen was mine. Strong possessive pronouns are sometimes called absolute possessive pronoun. Then the weak possessive pronoun include yours, my, her, his, its, their, our, and your. Their function is a determiner in front of a noun to express whom something belongs to. I said that's my pen. Sometimes we call them possessive adjectives. So you can see the difference between strong possessive pronoun and weak possessive pronoun. In a strong possessive pronoun we use mine. In weak possessive pronoun we use my. I said that pen was mine comes under strong possessive pronoun, and I said that's my pen comes under weak possessive pronoun. Now indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refers to something that is not definite in a sentence. They do not refer to particular thing or person. We use them when an object does not need to be specifically identified. There are two main types of indefinite pronoun, singular indefinite pronoun and plural indefinite pronoun. singular indefinite pronoun. We use singular indefinite pronoun for the singular object and not for plural. Singular indefinite pronoun include someone, somebody, something, no one, nobody, nothing, everyone, everybody, everything, anybody, another, anyone, each, anything, either, other, one, neither, and much. In plural indefinite pronoun are used for the plural object and not for singular. Plural indefinite pronouns includes many, several, few, others, and both. Now, let's just see another type, relative pronouns. A relative pronoun is a pronoun that relates the relative clause to another clause within a sentence. In addition, introduce the relative clause or an adjective clause. In mostly cases, it acts as subject of relative clause. The mostly common used relative pronouns are mentioned below. Example: whom, whoever, whomever, who, that, which, whose. These are the examples of relative pronoun. Let's see some example in sentences. She does not know which pack of pencil you want. Another, which pack of pencil you want is a relative clause and the relative pronoun which has linked into the main clause. Another type is intensive pronoun. Intensive pronoun emphasize or intensifies nouns and pronouns, and we define it as a pronoun that ends in self or selves. Intensive pronouns place emphasis on its antecedents by referring back to another noun or a pronoun used earlier in the sentence. An intensive pronoun is approximately identical to a reflexive pronoun. Intensive pronouns are also sometimes called emphatic pronouns. Intensive pronouns are himself, myself, themself, itself, herself, yourself, other self, and yourself. ठीक है, यहाँ पे सेल्फ एंड सेल्फ में कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. हिमसेल्फ, माई सेल्फ, देम सेल्व्स, इट सेल्फ, हर सेल्फ, योर सेल्व्स, आवर सेल्व्स एंड योर सेल्फ. Example in sentences: I myself like to sing. Jerry herself is her worst critic. Another type, demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are the nouns that take place of a noun that's already been mentioned in a sentence. Demonstrative pronouns can be singular or plural. 5 main demonstrative pronouns are these, those, such, these, that. These are beautiful. Do not hate that. That's an example of demonstrative pronoun. Basically, when you demonstrate someone, that's are called demonstrative pronoun. Another type, interrogative pronouns. An interrogative pronoun often stands for something that we are not aware of yet because we are asking about it. We use these pronouns especially to ask questions. These pronouns are special because they all start with WH, which is quite easy to remember. Most commonly used interrogative pronouns are whose, what, whom, which, who. The other words like whichever and whatsoever, whatsoever are the words that we use in interrogative pronouns. Words with WH that are not interrogative pronoun. There are many other words that start with WH but they are not interrogative pronouns because they are just words that start with WH and are in question. When T an interrogative pronoun is either is, where or why. Moreover, unlike other pronouns, sometimes interrogative pronouns do not have antecedents because you are not sure what they really are. Example in sentences, let's say, what is your nickname? Whose pen is this? Whoever does do whoever do you suggest by that? Whom were you talking with last night? Which of these three do you like? Sentence in which WH words are not interrogative pronoun. When do you have to go to gymnasium? He doesn't know where Ali is living last week. Another type, reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns and intensive pronouns are similar, but the difference between them is that intensive pronouns are not essential to a sentence meaning. Meanwhile, reflexive pronouns are, in addition, they are used when the subject and the object of a sentence refer to the same person or thing. Reflexive pronouns end in selves or self. Reflexive pronouns are yourself, himself, ourselves, itself, themselves, herself, myself, yourselves. Example in sentence, she told herself to spend all vacation at home. He bought himself a new phone. Reciprocal pronouns. A reciprocal pronoun is a pronoun that we use to identify a feeling or any kind of action that is reciprocate among two or more than two. That is why it always refer to two or more than person. Example, Jane is laughing at Lizzie and Lizzie is laughing at Jane. So we say Jane and Lizzie are laughing at each other. Each other and one another are the two reciprocal pronouns are not individual words but they are phrases. While using them, there must be two or more things, persons or groups involved. Moreover, they all must be acting the same action. Some more examples are Paul and Jem help each other. Both teams fought hard against each other. Why do you laugh at each other? All students gave presents to one another. Okay. Another type, distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun is a pronoun that describes a member of a group separately from the group and not collectively or including in that group. It refers to a thing or a person in a group. We use this pronoun to describe all the individual member of particular group. Distributive pronouns are commonly used with plural noun and singular verb. Distributive pronouns that are commonly used are each, either, every, neither, none, everyone, and any. Example in sentence, each of the boys writes a poem. Neither of the pens is black. Okay, so here we finish our topic pronoun. In the next video, we are going to study about verbs uh, and adverb. Okay. That's all for today.